Hey, hi dancers, welcome to the day 8 of hip hop dance course. My name is Vicky and I am representing Street Nash Dance Studio. In this lesson, we will not learn any physical exercise and any tutorial. We will just discuss about dance tips and tricks. So without wasting any time, we will jump on our lesson. Let's get started. So, which kind of mistakes we usually do in dance career? Uh, don't start any dance style without their basic. If you don't know basic, then how can you improve your dancing? Okay, uh, we will take some example from our school. Uh, we used to go to school in our childhood. We didn't learn anything in one day or 1 year. Uh, First of all, we did 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, we learned mathematics. Like first of all, we learned uh, alphabet, ABCD. After that, we made words. After that, we made sentences like this. Means dance is similar to school. If you don't know basic, then how can you improve your dancing? You can't. So I did this mistake in my past. You don't do, please. So this was our first mistake. What was that? Don't start your dance journey without basic, without class 1. So now we will discuss about our second mistake. Now our second mistake is we don't do dance exercises. We don't do stretchings, we don't do isolations. Please don't skip this. These are very important to become very successful and smooth dancer. Okay, please do. Please don't copy any dancer style cut to cut. Please, I used to do in my past, but I regret so much right now. Please don't. If you do, then you will look like him, you will not look like you. So, for that, please don't do. And this was our third mistake. Our tip number 2 is build your dance vocabulary. What does mean dance vocabulary? Dance vocabulary means like any language vocabulary. If you want to learn any language, then you need to get so many words, you need to get their pronunciation, you need to get their sentences, conversations, like that. Same with dance. You need to learn all the steps, all the basic steps, all the foundation steps, all the groove steps, all the combo steps. Then you can improve your dancing with that vocabulary. Means, just suppose you have thousand of steps of hip hop dance with variations and with combos. Then you will able to do any kind of hip hop dance fusion and choreographies. Nobody can stop you. Understand? You will understand anything. Means because of that vocabulary, you can do very smooth dance. You can do very professionally dance like that. So because of that, build your vocabulary, learn each step, don't skip any step. Means if you do like any step, any basic step, if you think I can do this but please you can try this again one more time, do one more time, practice alternate days. Okay, like this. Our third tip will be do everything genuinely. Okay, Means what? If you do your dance practice on time, if you learn every day something from dance, if you give your best, your 100%, then nobody can stop you to become very good and very big. Means do genuinely, do help to each other. Means I am spreading my knowledge to you. You can spread to everyone. Okay. So do genuinely. Everything one day will come and you will become very good. Okay. Our fourth and last tip is be patient. What does mean be patient? Be patient means you can't get anything in one day or 1 month or 1 year. Means if you think I joined class 1 month ago and now I will become professional dancer. No, this is not true. You need to spend a lot of time and you need to spend a lot of days, lot of years, then you can get that. Okay, so be patient and do your hard work and you can reach there what you want. Okay, be patient. With these steps, our today's lesson has been finished. Now we will meet on our 9th lesson. Till then, follow these tips and keep dancing. Bye.